Now I'll show you how to check the number of Google index pages. You can see I say 1 million or less to determine competitiveness. Okay. So what do I mean by that? Okay. So I'm just going to use this as an example, fitness training plans, just because I just mentioned it. All right. What I did was I put it into quotes, which means it's an exact match search. Okay, so why did I do that? As opposed to leaving it open-ended. If you leave it without quotes, open search, what that means is you will get search results for the words fitness, the words training, the words plans, and fitness training plans. You get a gob of websites. When you put it into quotes, it's exactly, you'll find the number of pages, index pages on Google, that you would be competing against for that keyword. Okay? So if I click search, Google search, the number that we want to pay attention to is in the upper right, sort of, 7,270 pages that we would be competing against. Does that sound like a lot? Where it says results 1 of 10 of about 7,270. Do you see where I'm? Does everybody see that? Right here? I can tell you based on my experience, that is nothing. Nothing. If that number is 1 million or less, you should consider that keyword. 1 million or less. Okay? Now, I know that 1 million sounds like a really huge number. Okay? But in all the testing that I've done and the clients that I've worked with, if that number was 1 million or less, we considered that keyword. This is the first step of 2, actually the first step of 3, to decide whether or not a keyword is going to be in or out. Okay? So the first thing that we want to think of is we make our list of keywords, sort of like, you know, all the other recommendations. We make our list of keywords for a specific content page. Then the first place that we test the keyword is we do an exact match search for that keyword. And we see how many other competing pages that we'll be going against in Google. And if that is 1 million or less, we still keep it in the mix.